game in Scratch. So, firstly, I'm going to tell you some important things. So, all these are sprites, means all the characters, and this is a backdrop, means the background. You can choose a background by clicking on this button, or you can also draw it, upload it, or click it. And same thing right here also. So, now I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to click on this green flag. Okay, now here I can drag any cloth and keep it on this boy like this, and then I could take this and keep it right here. I can also drag this jeans now. Right, now I can change the character just standing right here. Like I can take it to a girl or a boy with a hairstyle, a different hairstyle, or I like this normal one only. Now you can also change the color of the clothes by clicking on them like this, like this, like this one and this one. And you can change the color of the jeans also. Now you can add the shoes like this one. I'm going to keep them right here. Now you can change the color of the shoes also, and this shoe has three colors. These three colors. And here you can take a bow tie, keep it right here. You can change the color of the bow also. And this is a party hat, a Christmas hat, and this is a t-shirt. I can remove it. I can change the color, or I can remove this also. I can remove this also, and then I can use this t-shirt instead. This t-shirt also has two colors. This is the second one. You can choose a hat also, which also has two colors like this, and you can change the character now. Remove the hat, take a hairband, and you can change the color of the hairband also right here. You can add glasses right here, take the shoes, and like this. And it is not necessary to keep the clothes right here, you can keep them anywhere. And then when you will again click on this green flag, then everything will be arranged again. So let me show you how we make it. So firstly, these are the events right here. Like when green flag clicked, then do this. I took this go to X and Y block from the motion option. So this is very important for us, because if this will not be there, then see what will happen. Click it. I'm dragging this and keeping it right here. And if I wouldn't have added this block, then I would again click on the green flag. Everything will go back to its place, but this will not go because this does not have the code to go back there. That is why. Now, same way I have done for the others also. For this is a character named Danny, and here firstly switch costume to Danny. Cause what if you run it and leave it like this, and then you again do like this. Now you want that whenever you will restart your game, then it should return to this. Like I set it to the girl, I can click this and it will again return to the normal one. And when the sprite click, next costume. So next costume and switch costume blocks, you can get them from the looks option. This is the switch costume, this is the next costume. Okay, so same thing for the others also. This one there was no other costume. You can also make new costumes for your characters. Like you can go to costumes, click on this option right here. You can change the colors right here. Like you can take a pink, take this fill option, fill it with pink, like this. So I want it to be red only, red or orange, whatever. And then same thing for this one also. This is sunglasses too. Now you can change color for anything. Like here there was already another costume, so I did not change the color. For the shoes I have changed the colors right here. I made this. You can also zoom in like this, and then you can go to fill, click on blue, and you can change the outlines also like this. See, don't fill inside. You can fill inside, but I don't want to fill inside. Like this, you can change the colors also. So I'm going to undo it. Okay. Now you can zoom out like this. Or you can return to the normal zoom by clicking on this equal button. And then same thing for the shoes, shirt, glasses, hat, scarf. I did not add anything else. And there is this party hat, and this is the Christmas hat or winter hat, whatever you can say it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you now how to change the backdrops and the slides. So you can click on this, choose sprite from library. I've clicked on it, and after some time a window like this would appear on your screen. Now you can choose any category and choose any sprite, and then you need to click on OK right here. So I'm going to cancel it because I don't need any other sprites right now. Or you can just click on this cross. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so this is how we make it. Thank you. Bye. Hope you like it.